If you bought a game on itch.io and need to request a refund, this video will walk you through the process, step by step in a clear and simple way. Now, before we get into it, it's important to know that itch.io handles refunds manually, so this is not an instant one-click refund process like some other platforms. The good news is that if you act quickly and include the right details, you can give yourself the best chance of getting a successful response. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. To begin, open your email app or go to your email inbox and send a message to support@itch.io. This is the official email address you need to contact for refund requests. Make sure you do this within 7 days of your purchase, because that is the recommended refund window. If you wait too long, your request may be harder to approve. In the subject line, keep it simple and clear. Something like refund request for itch.io, purchase, is usually fine. Then, in the email itself, include your account name. This helps the support team identify your itch.io account quickly. Next, include the transaction ID. You can usually find this in your purchase confirmation email or in your payment history. The transaction ID is very important because it helps itch.io locate the exact order you want refunded. After that, write a clear explanation of the issue. Be direct and honest about why you are requesting the refund. For example, you might say it was an accidental duplicate purchase, the game is not working properly, or you bought the wrong title by mistake. The more clearly you explain the situation, the easier it is for the support team to review your request. Since itch.io games are DRM-free, refunds are handled manually by staff instead of automatically by a system. That means your request will be reviewed by a real person, so being polite, concise, and complete is always the best approach. Make sure your email includes everything needed in one message so support does not have to go back and forth asking for missing details. Once you've written the email, double-check that you spelled your account name correctly, included the correct transaction ID, and explained the issue clearly. Then hit send and wait for a reply from itch.io support. Processing times can vary, so give them some time to review your request. And that's it. You now know how to refund itch.io games by contacting support the right way and including all the key information they need. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.